against TNT here in the finals. And as you guys all know, leg 4, Meralco defeated TNT 21-13 in the finals. In leg 3, Meralco defeated TNT 19-18. So ito, third straight between these two teams.
Grabe, this is going to be another exciting matchup between these two. Nagiging rival na nga sila eh, because TNT has been very consistent with their performance, and now it's Meralco has really been surging hot and doing a great job in the previous leg finals.
Now let's see, will Meralco get their 4th leg title here in the 3rd conference, or will TNT get their first one against the Meralco Bolts? But again, no Alfred Batino for the Meralco Bolts. Meanwhile, walang Lervin Flores for TNT. No Brian Mendoza, a lot of faces not present here. Pero tingnan natin itong dalawa. As we said earlier, 3rd straight, Coach.
Yun nga eh, Meralco's really, Coach Patrick Fran has really been doing a fantastic job here for the Meralco Bolts. He has already, I think that, the biggest, pinakamagandang ginawa ni Coach Pat, yung training nila during the break nung Pasko. Kahit na Christmas, nag-sacrifice talaga sila to really get them into a good conditioning position.
And the guy that's been waxing hot, and again, the bane of a lot of teams here sa PB3XT. Talking about Jeff Manday. Take a look at that. 9 points against Solver.
Solid numbers here for Jeff Manday. 4 categories that he has really been contributing. And again, even if you don't have Alfred Batino there, you have the little guys who really contribute to get that extra possession.
And Jeff Manday's been the best player the last 2 finals matchup between these two. In the first one, he scored 12. In the second one, he had 7. Pero makakatapat niya on the other side, of course, a familiar face. Almond Vosotros against Cavitex. He really just took over that game, Coach.
He is legendary already in 3x3 competition. Almond is really a great player, very unstoppable, very cerebral, with his decision making, and definitely deadly from 2-point range.
30 points against the Cavitex Braves, leaving them in that comeback to set up this date with Meralco here in the finals. So let's see if they finally break through against this Meralco Bolt squad here, as we have the finals. Ating leg 5 of PB3X3 that's turned it over right now to Benji Santiago as we get ready for this finals matchup.
And now let's meet the protagonists in this final game. Winner will bring home 100,000 pesos and be leg 5 champions. Let's introduce first the local Bolts 3x3. From Cagayan de Oro, number 8, Red Cachuala. From Cebu, number 17, Joseph Senorifa. From Victoria City, Negros Occidental, number 30, Chef Manday. From Caloocan, number 31, JJ Malagi. Coach of Meralco 3XC, Coach Patrick Frad. And their opponent, TNT Triple Giga. From Las Piñas, number 0, Chester Saldua. From Olongapo City, number 8, Hey Eximiliano. From Santo Tomas, Pampanga, number 20, Cyrus Forrest. From Valenzuela City, number 26, Elmon Vosotros. Coach of TNT Triple Giga, Coach Mal Belen. Our referees, James Pies and Brian Peclaro.
Jeff Manday is one of the many reasons why the Meralco Bolts TX3 are dominating in the league. Kwento sa akin ni Jeff, all the achievements are just a result of the team's discipline and their collective efforts. Sabi niya, yung team effort na yun yung kanilang main strength. Nakita natin yan with how they play smoothly. Now, this game is a chance for the team to clinch a 3rd straight leg championship. And I asked Jeff whether he feels pressured about it or not. And he answered me calmly, and I quote, hindi naman, ina-enjoy lang namin yung laro.
And they're at it again, these two teams. Meralco Bolts 3x3, TNT Triple Giga. For the Leg 5 Championship and 100,000 pesos. Let's play this game. It starts in 5, 4, 3x3, PBA, La
ng leg 5, TNT against Meralco. Wala na sa TNT, Vosotros trying to go inside. Nice pass inside. That's going to be a foul against JJ Manlangin.
This is going to be payback for somebody. Diba? Kasi lalo na tong TNT. If we recall right, the previous game, or was it two leg finals ago na, Graham Mendoza hit that shot with no time left, diba? And then ni-review pa nga nila kung sino talaga yung kung kakount ba yung tira or not.
And then that last leg for victory, Meralco, 8-point lead, 21-13 against TNT. So a bit of a different story there. Pero yung like yung sinasabi mo, hindi na-count yung shot ni Ryan
Mendoza.
So Meralco won that one as well.
It's been close. This matchup has been wild and really close between these two, hard-fighting teams.
But a pass by Manday. He's there for the putback. First point of the game. He's been the poison. Siyang lason so far in TNT in the last two legs. And he's been playing so well here for the Meralco Bolts.
I always recall when Meralco, gets into the finals and who has really been having a hot hand. Of course, we mentioned Manday, Seduripas also there. There was a time, but Patino and even Manlangit also had some good games. So overall, maganda yung pinapakita talaga ng Meralco Boss. But of course, tradition is, ikalaban nila dito, tradition, TNT has been a solid contender all throughout pag 3x3 ang pinag-uusapan.
Oh, that's going to be a foul on the floor by Jose Seduripa as JJ Manlangit. Take a look at this pick and roll play, perfectly executed by the Bolts.
You can definitely count on Jeff Manday once he gets off screens and a pick and roll. Then definitely you have to keep your eyes on him because he will definitely give off that nice pass.
Torres, 4-2. He's been making big shots today.
Torres also had a big shot previously, when they were playing Cavitex in the semifinals.
Seduripa against Vosotros. That doesn't go. Rebound inside. Cachuela puts it in.
Cachuela, Manlangit, all of these guys really have been very vital to the competition.
Mabawi naman doon yung Saldua. Siyapla tayo, 3 points apiece. Manday breaks away from Torres. Just can't finish. Inside, took the hands of Manday.
He's always there, and even if you see him, he would still. The nice part about it is talagang he never quits on the play.
We saw that earlier against Ramirez.
Nasil na tapos biglang lumalaban pa rin ng maganda sa attitude ni Jeff Manday. He will never quit, he will always compete, no matter what the opposition he's up against.
Similiano gets the shot to go.
He's another guy who never quits as well.
Chuela. Mo poste, binigay kay Manlangit. Manlangit steps back, shoots a shot that doesn't go for Manlangit. Big. Gets the handoff, shoots a quick two. Doesn't go. Rebound goes to Torres. Sindua. Hands it off to Torres. Torres. Shot. That rolls in. Big shots right now for Torres.
Grabe, no? He has been also a steady performer here for TNT.
And for TNT, a new face. Varsity from GIGA. Making big plays here in the finals. Sandua. Takes him in the 6-second on shot clock. What a move. Drive inside, reverse. That is good. Bing gives him a 3-point lead.
This is going to be the challenge here because TNT has really been doing a good job, especially with Exmiliano, Torres also making a big contributions here. Hindi pa nga masyado nag-iinit at nagsusunod-sunod yung tira. Kaya mga Vosotros, wala pa nga sa puntos.
Alam natin pag-uminit si Almond like last game. He had 13 points. And that could lead TNT to a win here. Pero tingnan natin, Meralco, what's their answer? Go to Seduripa. Seduripa steps back. Tough shot, doesn't go. Good defense by TNT.
Meralco wasn't really in a good scoring position there because their spacing was just way too tight there.
Torres Torres inside. Again, easy basket
Guy
for
has really
Torres.
been leading the way for TNT.
Lami, quick turn. Let's see if it's a shot.
Vosotros very smart at the use of his fouls. But again, Torres has really been contributing here. He's got 4 points already in the game.
Alto needs a basket. Manday against Vosotros. Manday.
Oh, what a move! What a move!
Whoa, and finishes
Brings so
inside.
much excitement to the game of 3x3.
Ito, speaking of excitement, Vosotros though misses. Inside.
Ang company sa Mandali doon. Ang ganda na ng box out niya. Pero ang problema, he was waiting for someone to pick up that rebound. He boxed out very well, pero yun nga, nagulat siya na si Vosotros pala yung nandun sa likod.
This is the sequence by Jack Manday. Look at that as he drives inside and finishes over Saldua.
And that's what happens, Andre, when players respect their outside shot. The more you will be able to give out counters because you have so many weapons.
Vosotros completes the two-point play. Napakalaking namang kalamangan over TNT. 5-point lead. 5 sa triple giga. Tarifa. Tough shot over Torres. Makes it anyway.
And Tarifa needs to get hot here. They're down by 4.
Vosotros. Oh, Torres gets it.
Meralco's getting beat off those boards.
Torres again. Almost got it. Tarifa secures a rebound. Let's bring it out. 5 seconds on shot clock for Joseph Tarifa. Steps back, shoots.
Oh, shot clock down, and he hits a 2-point shot.
That brings Meralco right back into this ball game. Vosotros wants to change that. Oh, misses. First to the basketball. Let's see. Cachuela secures it.
Got rebounding for the Bulls.
Tarifa against Saldua. Asking for a screen. Steps back again. Short yet. Rebound goes to Torres. Vosotros binigay sa loob. Mismatch and smart foul by Joseph Tarifa.
You see the experience of a lot of guys like Vosotros and Tarifa. They're willing to give up that fouls. They know the situation with the team foul story. And that's when they make use of that, especially when there's a mismatch on every particular play.
Hindi nila pipilitin eh, no? That might end up with a basket and one for the other team. Si Emiliano, the hustle of King. Wow!
He's also a very dangerous player. You know that he is very good with the hustle and of course with so many weapons on his arsenal too.
The guy gets the ball back. This time he gets fouled by Emiliano. We head to a short timeout here as we need a breather. He leads by 3 with 4:52 remaining in this finals matchup. Great basketball so far. Titus Torres has been leading the way by the triple giga.
Grabe, he's a high point man in the game with 4 points already. He has been getting a lot of good scoring opportunities. 3 of 4 from the field. He's been getting 4 rebounds also. So impact play is coming from Cyrus Torres, but of course, this is another guy who has really been deadly. We talk about Joseph Tarifa, dagdag mo ba dyan yung performance ni Pinging Simeniano. This really promises to be another classic of a matchup in this 3x3 competition.
And Coach, yung kasama natin dito sa PBA 3x3, for Jeremy, na nakikinig daw together with Governor Ronald Dulatre. Thank you for listening and watching us dito sa PBA 3x3.
Good afternoon to guys, watching and hopefully enjoying the nice matchup that we're having for the day.
Si Tarifa missing that shot. Torres, look at that! Another big basket for Torres.
Cyrus Torres is really having a great shooting game.
Manday steps back. Steps back to the 2. Manday makes a 2!
Every time that you see that they have been defended, they always have like an emergency shot. We've seen it with Tarifa, we've seen it with Manday.
Ito naman, Ping gets a foul call against Jeff Manday. What a shot by Manday.
Parang napagod to si Cyrus Torres eh, no?
Daming
Just
ginawa
literally
eh.
froze. At daming signal ni Manday eh. Hindi mo na alam kung anong aabangan mo. Abangan mo pa yung Hesi, then drive, or abangan mo yung step back on a two-pointer.
Bing misses. One more shot for TNT as we have a lane violation against the Meralco Bolts. Bing right now. Trying to salvage a point here. Missed the first one. That goes in for Bing. Substitute free throw is good. 3-point lead for TNT. Could be a foul against Eximiliano. So both teams, 5 team fouls. 4:03 remaining. Anybody's ball game.
The execution is really critical here.
Manday. Trying to attack Vosotros. Jeff. Lots of moves by Manday. Misses the shot. Cachuela is there. Oh, missed the easy one. Sedorifa inside. Nice fake by Cachuela, and this time he finishes.
Yun ang maganda kay Cachuela is really, he never quits on the play. He just keep on always keeping the ball alive. Oh, look at the, out of nowhere, this guy just like, recover, but what a play by TNT. Hindi ka talaga pwede papagal-pagal. You have to be quick to recover to the guy or else they will take advantage of that.
Smart move. Oh, Vosotros. He gets a foul call using those hands.
Fouls. 6 fouls already on TNT here.
You have to be careful. Take a look at this. Sedorifa had the
Nakuha
right
ni Joseph
idea.
Sedorifa until na. What a nice give and go play here. That's quick identification of the situation and where your advantages are.
Manday. Against Torres. Goes inside. Look at Vosotros. Take that away. Torres, big shot here. Oh, nobody boxing out.
Yun ang mga sayang, Meralco has to watch out because TNT is getting a lot of those extra opportunities here.
Nice pass inside by Sedorifa. Down low to Manlangit. Again, a little bit of lapse in attention leads to an easy basket for TNT.
Ayun yung mga sayang, you have to clear that out. But sometimes the challenges of every player, sometimes fatigue, or minsan yung nawawala yung hindi mo nakikita yung dapat nakuha mo agad yung bola. Another opportunity for TNT, but good block there, or good challenge there by Manlangit.
Manlangit inside. Back-to-back baskets for Meralco, posted within 2.
Match na match yung laban natin dito. Pati sa hustle, makikita mo lahat sila. Ang ganda ng mga contribution.
But they don't have this guy. Vosotros with the 2.
Very hard to really stop Vosotros, but Manday keeps coming back.
Vosotros shoots an air ball here. That opens the door again for Meralco.
Pero pag 3x3, Andre, no? You're only down by 3. Pero TNT is a very dangerous situation kasi 16 points na sila eh.
And 21 points ang hinahanap dito. But Manday doing his best to keep Meralco within striking distance. Pero grabe, paano tayong heavyweight boxing match?
Oh, it's always evenly matched. This time out for both of these teams is definitely going to be critical. You have TNT who may go for the kill already because they already have 16 points with 2 minutes and 16 seconds left. Of course, Meralco trying to figure out, the challenges that they have right now. I feel that the 13-11 in favor of TNT rebounding is really critical here. They got +3 on the field goal attempts. So, di ba, sayang na-stop mo na, pero nabibigyan mo pa ng second chance opportunities yung kalaban.
Manday has to go. What a crossover. Goes up high. Manday gets it back. Manday puts it in. 16-14. There's going to be a foul against the Bolts. So both teams down to penalty. 6 fouls apiece. Bound to the ball ends up with Manday. And he gets Meralco Bolts within 2. Sotros. Siminiano. Oh, Sandua, what a great box out. Yes,
Good position. He had very good position and with left man under the basket. That's a mismatch there, right there. Sandua have advantage with his size. Oh, this is going to be, might be a big steal here. What a big play there by Bosso. Oh, there's a foul.
Oh, it's going to be against Siminiano crashing into Sendorifa. That's going to be 2 shots.
Could have been a big play there by Eximiniano. Pero ito na nga, no? Mahirap talaga na. When Saldua gets down low like that to Jeff Manday, there's nothing Manday can do.
Ito na nga, good steal by Ping. Sendorifa gets it. Pero yung pag-crash daw on top,
Yeah.
the dive is what the foul, where the foul is for Ping Eximiniano.
Some crucial free throws on the part of Joseph Sendorifa. They need to get to cash in on 2 free throws. Because it puts the pressure. It puts the pressure on TNT. But again, you know, you have Vosotros there. There's no definition in the dictionary of Almon Vosotros of as pressure.
Walang pressure para
Walang
kay Almon.
pressure. He will launch those shots.
And I'm sure he's thinking to go for the kill in this one. Within 4 points of getting the championship here, the leg championship. Sendorifa calmly sinks both free throws. Meralco still not out of this.
Going to be a key play here for both of these teams. One key stop and one big basket.
Oh,
Nice
beautiful play for
Beautiful
TNT.
play.
They have to be careful with their fouls here. Manday breaks away, leads in. Floater is good for Jeff Manday.
Another key possession here for TNT. One big stop by Meralco. Oh, what a play there.
Oh,
Both of these
Vosotros.
teams. Grabe yung composure.
You have to be careful with the fouls here. That's going to be an offensive foul on Joseph Sendorifa.
Oh, wow. Again, you know, the relentless defense on the part of Phoenix Simoniano in full effect.
Yung pag-ward off dito ni Joseph Sendorifa, that arm, that's where the foul. That's where the
Nakita
foul.
ng referee, yes, right there.
Ito na. Vosotros can win this. Goes inside instead. Layup is good. They're within 1.
Grabe, TNT seems poised to finish this game off. 40 seconds left.
That goes in for Cachuela. 1 point na lang dito. TNT for the leg championship. Meanwhile, Meralco needs a stop. And then mahirap dito. Both teams can't foul. Can't afford to foul at this point, especially Meralco.
3-3, halos 3 possessions pa ito eh. You know, with the shot clock of 12 and 40 seconds left, kulang-kulang mga 3 possessions pa ang pwede mangyari. Anything can still happen here. But of course, advantage seems to be on the side of TNT because all they need is just 1 basket.
Will TNT finally get a leg championship here in the 3rd conference? All for time. Or will Meralco come back and win their 3rd straight? Let's see. As we have a timeout here with 40.1 seconds remaining. TNT just looking for 1 point na mahirap dito again. No fouls remaining for both squads. As you see the TNT, or our fans here at the Alamos Manila Bay enjoying a great afternoon of PBA basketball on a Tuesday afternoon. At ito na po tayo. Amo Vosotros with possession. Will TNT win this? Or will Meralco get a stop? Alban. He gets the switch. Vosotros, tough shot. Meralco gets the stop, pero man lang, it looks like he tipped that away.
So it's around 9 seconds na nawala dun sa game clock. But 3.6, let's see, short yung tira dito.
Tatapik doon ni Manlangit.
Manlangit, yes, ito, Manlangit.
But 3.6 seconds on the shot clock for TNT. What's the Tarifa? Encouraging his team as you see Coach Malvin in.
For TNT.
I'm sure she's nervous on the sidelines right now. They're within one of winning this one. Nosotros for the win!
Oh! Cool as ice. When the game is on the line, you always know where the ball will be headed to. And you always know who will be the guy who will hit that game winner. This is all about respect between these two great ball clubs in 3x3 competition. Look at this pull-up jumper.
He just gets to his spot. Again, ice in his veins.
Fall away, really very hard to stop.
Finishes his ball game as TNT secures the leg championship, their first one here in the third conference. Finally besting their rivals in the Meralco Bolts, winning this 21-18 to the delight of the TNT crowd here in the Alamos, Manila Bay. The TNT wins it by 3. Congratulations to the TNT Triple Giga. As you take a look at our best player of the ball game for the finals of this leg. Again, when hitting the game winner, Coach Avo Vosotros.
Every time TNT really goes on and then wins, of course, Albon Vosotros is always there to provide the crucial baskets, whoever the combination or the remaining 3 players are in there. He is their heart and soul, Andre.
But we have to also commend the performance of King Eximiliano and Cyrus
I
Torres.
like the performance of Cyrus, of Cyrus Torres, and of course the defense, the heart and the hustle of King Eximiliano. Dagdag mo pa dyan yung laban ni Salduan, the way he executed those rebounds.
And we'll be back for the awarding of our leg championship. Dito lang yan sa PBA 3x3. Lakas ng tatlo.